Hi everyone, I'm happy to see you today. This is our last Sunday together, and next week I will meet you on Tuesday. On Zoom, we will have a live session together. It will be at 7:30 p.m. I will meet you. We will have a mix of everything that we did together. A little bit of yoga and breathing and meditation. It will be a short session, so because I also wish to share time with you to reflect a little bit on this month's adventure together, to exchange and share through a circle of talk. We will share our insight and journey together. So, last session together, and see you next week on Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. on Zoom. You can get the link by sending me a message either on WhatsApp or Messenger or directly on my email address, which will appear below. So today's session I choose to go into chanting with you. Let's open our energy, rise of vibration, and I choose very simple mantra, so you can repeat with me easily after 1 or 2 times. The idea will be to repeat it at least 9 times, maybe 12, and just sense and connect with the vibration, and then slowly come back to ourselves. This is a very simple mantra calling Ganesha. So Ganesha is a god in India who looks like an elephant, and he is a god who will remove obstacle, bring success and prosperity. So if you are opening a new business or having a new idea, you may want to add into your routine this mantra. Also, if you feel a bit down or scared, or you see the difficulties on your path or journey, you can call Ganesh with this mantra. Ganesh is also the deity of wisdom and intellect, so he can bring this energy to you. And in general, chanting mantra will higher your vibration, calm your nervous system, bring energy within you. It's also a way to make a meditation. So, before we continue, I will tell you the different word of this very simple sentence and explain you what it means. So, the sentence is, the mantra is Om Gan Ganapataye Namaha. And it means that you are calling Ganesh. So in one sentence we will say, I bow to Lord Ganesh, the remover of obstacle. I seek blessing from Ganesh. This is the idea. So it's calling his energy, calling him to come to us, to open the space, to remove obstacle, and to bring strength and energy and calm and reset mind to ourselves. I have to share also with you a beautiful experience. When I was in India, I received a puja connecting with Lord Ganesha, and since I did that, I can really feel the benefit into my life, how everything happened. I also know, of course, and in the energetic space and the numerology and astrology, this year was a year for me to open and create space. But I also feel that Ganesh is very present into this space with me. So this is why today I invite you to connect with Ganesh, because this is a deity right now that I feel really connected with, and that I'm discovering and learning too. And so, for the one who doesn't really follow the spirituality of India, remembers and mantra is not just it's not just for the one who connect to spirituality and deity, but also a way to connect with the energy egregore, which a lot of people are using by singing, so it's rising our energy in some way too. And it's also a very peaceful way to make a beautiful meditation and rise our cells, serenity and calm. So let's come to the mat together and sing now. Take a few breaths. Relax your shoulder. Straighten your spine. Find a comfortable posture. Observe your breath first. And let's sing together. Repeat this mantra. Om Gan Ganapataye Namaha. 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 Slowly come back to your breath. Observe and relax. Let's sing Om 3 times. And you can stay a bit longer, just breathe in and out, observe and relax. Open your eyes slowly. Go back to warming up your throat and neck. You can continue with a little bit of articulation move if you wish, or continue with a little bit of pranayama and breathing, or simply stop here. You can stay longer. I was happy to share these seeds slowly with you every Sunday and through the week. I want to thank you for the comments, the sharing, the connection that we create in this small group, and we can continue to share this space, share these seeds, because all these little things that we can do through the day can transform our body and our connection with our mind and our heart. There is a real connection, there is a free space here, there is a body which also has a digestive system and a fire, a space in our body where is our heart and our emotions, and a space in our head, which is our mental and our connection also with our five senses. And if we nourish these seeds, nourish this space of well-being within us through small tools, then we bring a difference into our days, into our life, and also into the life of others. So I want to thank you for this, and I hope to see you on Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. on Zoom. Please connect with me to get the link, and see you soon. Thank you. Namaste.